Okay guys, gotta go ahead and quickly show you what you need to get done over the next 2 days just to keep those skills, enhancing them a little, sharpening them back up. So um, you're gonna go ahead and launch Photoshop from the land of where the heck is it? There we go. Not sure why it's not in my system tray. Must have accidentally closed it. So apps. Photoshop looks like I have an update available. Remember to always do those when you get a chance. Try to keep on top of them so they don't cause you problems. Got a little dog here I need to remove there. I'm just going to create a new file. And it's going to bring me here. Just want you to go up here, click the search icon, have you scroll down to come on, hands-on tutorials is where I want you. And text effect. We're going to scroll down to add photo effects, and what I want you to do over the next 2 days is work through each one of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and screenshot. You can do it as a composite if you want, and do a screenshot of the work you get done in each one of these different tutorials. They're all short, so just nibble at them. And remember, your purpose is not jumping through the hoop, but picking up the skills.